Hi, this is ZTE Blade A72s and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So open first the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. So then just tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app and click to enable in settings. So down near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher and tap twice to OK. Then go back and click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished, so let's check our new keyboard, and we could see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.